Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will going to discuss about the formatted strings in Python. Okay, if anybody knows where we can use the formatted strings, okay, alright, I will teach you guys. Formatted strings are particularly useful in situation where you dynamically generate some text with your variables. Okay, let me show you. Let's say we have two variables, first name and last name. FIRST, first name, and set it to Sudhakar, and last name and set it to Pratap. Okay, PRATAP, Pratap. Okay, we want to generate with help of these two value. The message is like this: Sudhakar within the brackets, Pratap is a coder. So if you want to print this statement with help of these two variables, is possible or not? Obviously it's possible. Okay, how you can make this statement and print on the terminal? How do we can do this? If anybody knows, please you can use the comment box and comment on the below, right? Okay, let me show you how it is and how you can do this statement. Okay, we are going to define a variable called message and we can set it to first variable name. Then we need to use the string concatenation concept, guys. Okay, how you can concatenate, guys? Using the plus symbol, add some space, add the quotations, then we need to add the square bracket, guys, then add some quotation, and you can use the plus icon, and we need to type your last name here, add some space and plus symbol, and something will missing, but it will okay, is a coder. Okay, something went wrong here. If anybody knows what is the error here, okay, I will miss the quotation here, right? Now all right, okay, just wait. Here some space will given, single will, okay, just wait a minute, guys. Okay, all right, now we are going to print here, print MESSAGE, message. Okay, I will erase this line. Okay, let's run our program and see what happened. Okay, see here, Sudhakar Pratap is a coder, right? Okay, while this approach perfectly works, it's not an ideal, right? Because somebody's will seeing this code, it little bit more complicated, right? Okay, instead of string concatenation, we are going to use the formatted string, guys. So this is where we can use the formatted string, guys. Let me show you how we can use the formatted strings in Python, guys. I will declare one more variable called MAG, and this is a short form of message, and set it to, okay, whenever we are going to use the formatted string, guys, we add the prefixed with an F, guys, F, and quotation. Now in between quotations we are going to add the first name, FIRST, first, then okay, within we can add within the curly braces, we are going to add first name variable, guys. Then we need to add here square brackets. Within the square bracket, again I will add the curly braces, guys. In curly braces, I will going to declare a variable called last name, and which is followed by is a coder. Okay, let me run this program, guys. Okay, instead of message I will change it as a MSG, right? Just run our program and see what was the result, guys. Okay, see, again we are going to see this message, Sudhakar Pratap is a coders, right? So whenever we are using string concatenation, guys, instead of string concatenation we are going to use the formatted strings in Python, because string concatenation it's little bit complicated, right? So instead of string concatenation we are going to use the formatted string, guys. Okay, so this is what we are going to study about the formatted strings in Python, guys. I think you people are enjoyed this video with me, and if you have a time, please watch my videos and subscribe and share, comment with your friends, guys. Okay, I will stop here only because video get lengthy. Bye bye, see you in the next video, take care.